Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to reconcile accounts in Invent ERP. Let's get started. From the home page, click on the All Apps button. Head to the Accounting module. This will take you directly to the Journal dashboard. Here, you'll be able to view your bank accounts and journal details. Now, let's go ahead and reconcile your account. Start by entering the closing balance for your bank reconciliation. Click on Create. You'll now see a list of all related transactions. Tick the checkbox for each transaction that matches your bank statement. If there's any difference in the balance, you can add a manual transaction. Specify whether the transaction is a deposit or withdrawal, select the account, and enter the amount. Once everything looks correct, click Reconcile. Your account is now successfully reconciled. You can always revisit the reconciliation record whenever needed.